Did you know that Hajj is not just a journey of miles, but a journey of the heart and soul? Discover how this sacred pilgrimage can transform your life forever. Stay tuned as we unveil the spiritual secrets of Hajj that many overlook. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Every year, millions of Muslims embark on the journey of Hajj to Mecca, fulfilling a pillar of Islam. But Hajj is far more than rituals and physical acts. It is a deeply spiritual journey that cleanses the soul, strengthens faith, and brings you closer to Allah like nothing else can. In this video, we will explore the profound spiritual benefits of Hajj that every Muslim should know. So grab a cup of tea and stay with us until the end. 1. A clean slate, the power of forgiveness. One of the greatest blessings of Hajj is the opportunity to have all your past sins forgiven. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever performs Hajj and does not commit any obscenity or transgression will return as free from sins as the day his mother gave birth to him." Imagine the purity of starting afresh with a clean heart and soul. Doesn't this inspire you to strive for this immense reward? 2. Renewed faith and Tawakkul. Hajj teaches you complete reliance on Allah. Tawakkul. From leaving your family behind to facing challenges during the pilgrimage, every step reminds you to trust Allah wholeheartedly. This journey strengthens your connection with Him, making your faith unshakable in the face of life's trials. 3. Unity and equality among Muslims. When you wear the ihram, the special pilgrimage garment, you leave behind your social status, wealth, and personal identity. Hajj gathers Muslims from every corner of the world, showing us the beauty of unity and equality. Standing shoulder to shoulder during prayer or tawaf, the act of circumambulating the Kaaba, reminds us that we are all equal before Allah, united by our faith. 4. A heart softened by dua and reflection. The sacred sites of Hajj, Arafat, the plain where pilgrims gather to pray, Muzdalifah, the site for rest after Arafat, and Mina, the area where pilgrims throw pebbles at symbolic pillars, are places of immense reflection. At Arafat, you pour out your heart in dua, supplication, seeking Allah's mercy and guidance. These moments soften the hardest of hearts, reminding you of your purpose in this world and preparing you for the hereafter. 5. Detachment from materialism. During Hajj, you leave behind your comforts and luxuries, learning to live simply and focus on the spiritual. This detachment from materialism is a powerful reminder of the temporary nature of this world and the eternal rewards awaiting us in Jannah, paradise. 6. Strengthen patience and gratitude. Hajj is not without its challenges, but each hardship is an opportunity to grow in patience and gratitude. Whether it's standing in long lines, enduring the heat, or navigating large crowds, every moment teaches you resilience and thankfulness for Allah's blessings. 7. Rekindled purpose in life. Completing Hajj often brings a renewed sense of purpose. Pilgrims return home with a commitment to lead a life closer to the teachings of Islam. This spiritual awakening transforms not just your actions, but your entire mindset, making you a better Muslim and human being. Now that you know these incredible spiritual benefits of Hajj, what's stopping you from planning this life-changing journey? Remember, Allah invites who He will, so begin making sincere du'as, supplications, and preparing yourself mentally and financially for this sacred obligation. Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching. If you found this video beneficial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, Zach Islam, for more inspiring Islamic content. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.